What is email marketing all about? Hey there, everyone. Welcome to our newest online marketing masterclass, the Email Marketing Success Kit. Thanks for letting us be your guide in this educational journey. And congratulations for your decision to learn how to tackle the hottest internet marketing trend of this year and beyond. If you're a regular internet user, you are well aware of how important email is for everyday life and for business. Most people take email for granted because it is the easiest thing to use and understand. But what most people are not aware of is that email is a goldmine that can help you drive traffic, generate leads, and make more sales. That takes us to email marketing. This isn't news to anyone who is familiar with online marketing or to anyone who has been added to a business mailing list. Businesses and entrepreneurs have been using email as a marketing tool to make their business goals a reality for years, and it is as powerful today as it has ever been. Email marketing is simply the use of email to promote a brand, a product, a service, or a business. Email marketing is a direct marketing strategy because it allows you to contact potential customers directly in their email inboxes. And that right there is one of the reasons why email is still one of the best marketing methods around. An email subscriber is someone that has already joined your contact list because he or she wants your brand or business to send them personalized emails. So even though there currently exist more than 40 marketing categories, email is the only marketing category that lets you nurture leads and cultivate customer relationships directly and affordably. For those reasons alone, over 85% of U.S. retailers consider email their top marketing channel. What's more, email marketing has improved considerably. Now there are tools and platforms that help you organize and automate your email marketing efforts. Things have come a long way since the days when people and companies had to set up their own mailing servers and design their emails from scratch. Are you a marketer? Do you own a business? Then you need email marketing. Period. If you want to grow your career or business, then you better learn the top reasons why email marketing is more important than ever. 94% or more of internet users use email as their primary contact method. This means that with email marketing, you'll be able to reach many more users than through any other marketing channel, even social media. With email marketing, you'll be able to keep leads and customers informed about your brand or business, and to send them incentives such as coupon codes and exclusive offers to encourage brand loyalty. Up to 90% of emails are opened and clicked. This contrasts with impressions on social media, where organic posts are only seen by around 2% of users because platforms drive more traffic to sponsored posts. Email marketing drives more sales. Over 4% of email users buy something from an email marketing campaign, whereas only 2.5% of search engine users and a meager 0.6% of social media users buy something from a campaign on those channels. Email marketing is the most cost-effective marketing method around. On average, an email marketing campaign generates $38 or more for every $1 you spend. 72% of people prefer to receive promotional messages in their email inboxes, compared to only 12% who prefer to receive them on social media. Email is not going anywhere anytime soon, and it will keep being the most relevant marketing channel for a long time to come. So we've designed this training to help you get the most out of your email marketing efforts this year and beyond. So get ready, because next, we'll be showing you how to create the perfect email marketing campaign from zero. Ready? Then we'll see you in the next